हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एक्सेल मेनियक। और शुरू करते हैं अपना वीकेंड एक धमाकेदार इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ, जहां हम सीखेंगे कि हम अपने डेट्स को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं इनटू वेरियस फॉर्मेट्स। जैसा कि आप रो नंबर 5 में देख सकते हैं, वेरियस रिजल्ट जो हम जनरेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे विद द यूज ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज। सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक वंस एंड मूव ऑन टू द एडवांस वंस। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, वीडियो बहुत मजेदार होने वाला है। ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जहां हम 8 तारीख छठा महीना 2024 को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने वाले हैं जून 8 2024। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टेक्स्ट। टू ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑल द डेट्स वी गोना यूज ओनली टेक्स्ट फंक्शन. There is various other ways as well, but we will discuss that into separate videos. So let's start with the text function first. So first select your target cell, comma, start with the colon, type mmmm 4 times specifically. It will transform your 06 into June. Then you need your date, press D, then comma. You want 2024, so that's why you will type yyyy, colon close and enter. Okay, so this is how your results came. However, if you wanted like not 2024, only 24, just type YY and only 24 will come. Now we will quickly move on to type 2, where we will be transforming our this date format into this, where date, month, year has been flipped. Also the separator is different. So to do that, type again text, select target cell, comma, colon start. First thing that you need is year, so type yyyy in 4 formats, then slash, then you want month, then you will type then slash, then you want date, dd, colon close and enter. So this is how you can reach from this to this. So this concludes our type 2 transformation. So guys, let's move on to type 3. Type 3 ना थोड़ा सा मजेदार रहने वाला है, थोड़ा सा ना क्रिएटिविटी यूज करेंगे. As you can see within the results is like we gonna add th or rd, whatever you want with your dates. Okay, so let's quickly start with text. Select your target cell, comma, colon start, type t for your date. What do you want then next is th, so first place a slash, then t slash h space mmmm for your month, space yyyy for your year, colon close and enter. See, this is how your 8th June 2024 came in. Okay, so quickly move on to type 4. Okay दोस्तों, तो अपने टाइप 4 के साथ शुरू करते हैं. Where we want Saturday, we want day, and what is day is being called on that day, on that date specifically. So we will start with text. Again, selecting target cell, comma, colon start. First thing we want is Saturday, so we will type d. Okay, type it 4 times. It will give you full Saturday. If you will type it 3 times, it will give you SAT for Saturday. Okay, and comma. Then you want your month. Again, you want your date. Then type only D. Again, you want your year. Then y 2024. If you want 24, as I told you earlier, type it only 2 times y. Colon close and enter. Voila, it's done. Then let's move on to transformation 5. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, please do like and subscribe. This gives me motivation to create such wonderful videos. So we will type text, comma, colon start, dddd to bring in SAT only, then comma, then you will type D slash T slash H space mmmm for June. If we will type 4 times M, then it will give us JUNE full name. If you will type it 3 times MMM, so it will give us 3 names only, JUN AUG for August, SCP for September. Then we want only 24, so we will type YY. Okay. Oh, I think colon close. Ah, So it's done. So this is how these date transformations goes. For such informative videos, please do like and subscribe to the channel.
Hit like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section.